Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hatch this beautiful thing. Put it in. So what you're gonna need a pummel and well, show you that it is real. So he likes basically likes likes a mammoth, and the mammoth created this who likes what we do. So you can use like a rare one if you have a rare but either way you're gonna need a pummel. So sometimes how you know that you have it will take like 25 hours. If it takes like 9 or 10 or something like that, then you've read like something wrong. So like, you see those torches? Those are the rarity. Like how if like I was hatching a gas and it like and I had a bunch of torches lighted, then it can be easier to get instead of having to get the friend code from the app is not sponsoring me, but I used to use it when I played this game a lot. So let's just go to it. Okay, let's see. I just got like the game, but like I said, I used to play it. So it's called My Singing Monsters Guide. Right here it is, and right there you see learn breeding combinations, stuff like that. So I'm gonna get the app and then I'll see you when it's done. Okay guys, I sped it up so like it'd be easier. So what we're gonna do is go to Plant Island. Then you go to the Entbart, whatever. Okay. Yep. So press it. No, I do not want that. Okay. So the rare one, if you guys want that, it's the same thing except it takes 30 hours and 30 minutes. This takes 24, and it was like 25 or 24. So here's like, this app is actually great. It shows you like its max and then its level. As if you put it at levels, certain levels, it gains certain money. And then happiness, it would get, you got 4 happiness, 332 a minute. Not too bad, eh? So here's what it likes, you know, the usual. So you can Noggin, Bogart, Toe Jammer, Clamble, Mammoth, Pummel, and Shrub Mole, Octopus, Trumpler, Forcon, and a Flog. Those are all like the things. Like I was thinking of a different what do you call it? A different guy, like a different skin. But yeah, this game or this app shows you all of the ways to like breed and what these people like and all that stuff. Yeah, I was thinking about a sugar bush because I was trying to create this a long time ago, and this was like the ultimate thing for me. But as you can see, Dawn of Fire is right here, so it shows you all the, usual easy stuff. But yeah, guys, that's it. If you didn't see my friend get code, I'll put it back on the screen.